Oh, I think you should come, of course, because it's you meet colleagues, your friends are also international speakers that you can talk to and listen to, connect to others, and update. Oh, very nice. I'm listening now to some lectures as well, and high quality, latest updates, things I thought I knew, but I didn't know about it. So it's really an update about what's going on in the research field. Yeah, I talk the latest clinical practice guidelines about how to take care of implants because it's such a big problem worldwide with the implants. We install it, but a lot of problems do occur and we need to handle it. I think it's an easy way to catch up. What should we do with the patients, latest update about science, because it's so hard to go through all the materials by yourself. But here you listen to different speakers, topics, easy update. Looks nice. I have not been there so much, but so many different exhibitions here. Yeah, so many different things to look in, products, instruments, so you can really catch up new things that are on the market. Oh, I think you should come, of course, because it's you meet colleagues, your friends are also international speakers that you can talk to and listen to, connect to others, and update, because that's important so we know what's going on. How should we do with the patients? How should we treat them?